So, simplihan lang natin, looking at Bitcoin, nag-ano na siya, breakout sa 40K level. So, that's a good sign. Hanapin natin yung next resistance area. Next resistance area is at 46K, 47K. So, ito yung value area high niya based on the fixed range volume profile and may confluence with this. Hold on, ito. Hanggang dito dapat. So, tinitignan niya yung range na yan. Kino-compute niya lahat ng volume per price. So, pumapasok na ito yung next value area high mo or high volume node mo. So, this will serve as resistance, tong 47K. So, ito yung point of control mo. Nag-breakout na siya sa point of control na yan. Yung 38K level na yan. So, after this breakout, no, yung high volume node breakout or point of control breakout, yun, nag-ano na siya. Continuous momentum candle na yung pinakita niya. So, ano siya, medyo looks like a 90-degree move, no? So, maganda if makakita tayo ng continuation muna or pause days. So, that's para magkaroon ng healthy movement tong BTC natin. So, ETH, ganun din. Fresh breakout above this accumulation structure. So, lagging siya versus BTC. Ito, tignan natin volume profile. Next resistance is at 2650. So for crypto naman, no, ito mga tinitingnan ko na medyo low cap or mid cap names. So Gala, ito yung accumulation structure na tinitingnan ko. Nag-breakout na rin sa AVWAP or anchored VWAP. So tingnan natin if sustain niya tong 0.028. So right now, so actually ngayon meron akong DODOX and CVX and NTRN USDT.P. So mga ano lang naman, mga small caps na nakita ko recently. So all-time high or all-time high tong tong issue na to. Same with DODX na near all-time high din and CVX na actually yung CVX hindi naman but ano siya, papunta tayo dun sa may base siya coming from a rally and possibly mag-rally siya papuntang 4.3. So next resistance actually 4.2. Ano lang siya, simple 3-to-1, 5-to-1 reward risk ratio na trade. So actually halos lahat yan mga lower time frame trades. So recently na-trade ko na to from this level. So, from this box structure, papunta dito sa resistance area na yan. Then, next round, ito yung tinitrade ko. So, papuntang 4.2 or kahit 4.3 if possible. So, 3.84, ano siya, reward risk ratio. So, risk, $1, balik sa'yo, $3.84. So, mga, ano lang, mga swing trade lang, scalp to. So, BTC kasi, wala na tayong makitang tradable setup right now. Naiwan na tayo. So, yun. So, hanap na lang ng ibang mga laggard plays. Yun, right now, looking at BTC dominance, no? So, mangat siya. ETH.D. So, basically, makikita natin na yung pera nasa BTC talaga, no? And yung pera from USDT is nagfo-flow pa ng BTC. So, pag nakita natin nagde-decline ng BTC and ayun, makita natin umangat ng ETH, baka doon lumilipat yung pera. Then, altcoin yung pwede mong i-trade. So, yun, ito yung mga tinitignan natin sa crypto market. So, total 3. Actually, nakita natin is umangat na rin siya, nag-breakout siya dito sa base na yan. So, this is the market cap, excluding BTC and ETH. So, much better gauge to for the health of the crypto markets kasi inalis mo yung mga major coins mo, no, na pwedeng sinuskew niya yung yung view mo in the markets. So, total 3. If masustain niya for 430B, 428B, then baka yun nga, masustain yung bull market for crypto. So, yun na muna, no? Basically, bull market in the crypto space. So, kung kaya nyo gatasan ninyo. As long as you manage your risk, 1% lang per trade, yung dapat mawala sa inyo. So, take it one trade at a time. Huwag kayong magmadali. Huwag din kayo maging greedy, no? So, may time for that. Always manage your risk and ayun, wag nyo ilagay yung pera sa ulo ninyo. Kasi pag dumating sa time na tingin mo Superman ka na or nagkakaroon ka na ng win streak in trading crypto, US equities, baka dun ka mag-all-in, then baka dun na pa-reverse pala yung market and dun maibalik yung kinikita mo. So, as always, dapat always protect your profits and ayun, mag-iingat kayo palagi. Kasi very vulnerable if nilalagay yung pera sa utak. Parang alak lang siya. So, anything in excess, excessive confidence, excessive ego is bad in trading the markets. So, yun lang muna yung piece of advice na mabibigay ko sa inyo. Very simple market review lang, market outlook, or yun nga, market watch, like the title indicates, no? So, tinitingnan natin yung markets. Yun, we're trading what we see, trading what we can. As long as our risk management methods permits us, no? Laging risk first mentality. And that will be it, no? Yun na muna yung market review natin or market watch natin. So, I hope na magatasan nyo tong Santa Claus rally na to. As always, if may tanong kayo or may concerns kayo on your recent trades or yung mga tinignan natin right now, if may questions kayo, you can personally DM me, personally PM me in my Facebook page or Twitter account or X account. So, Twitter, wala na yung Twitter, no? So, yun, you can ask me questions. You can comment it in our comment section below. If may mga suggestions kayo for improvements in our content, you can please let me know and gagawa natin ang paraan yan. So, as always, ingat kayo. God bless and goodbye.